Hello, we are Holoteam, and this is our STEM project, the Holobox. Can you zoom in, please? Thank you very much. As you can see here, there is the projection of the globe. If you are wondering how that is work, allow me to explain. Zoom in on the whiteboard, please. First, there is this inverted pyramid here, made from acrylic plastic. Then there are 4 projections, but I'll just draw 2 to simplify. These projections are similar in shape and size, except they are all faced towards the pyramid. Now if you zoom in again, these images cast a projection. So to my calculation, images plus projection equals hologram. Any questions? No? Thank you very much.